Hey there, quick review on this Gas One propane burner. It's a pretty simple unit, easy to use. I'll show you some of the key features. Everything comes assembled out of the box, ready to go, except for the hose. You simply have to screw that in right here. Doesn't require any additional fittings. Just put a little Teflon tape on it and screw that in there, and that's it. So I've got my gas tank hooked up here. You'll notice down here, it does have its own regulator valve. So you can hook this up, open the tank wide open, and then you can shut off the gas or open it up as much as you need right here with this valve. To light the burner, we'll go ahead and just open up the gas. You will need an extended lighter of some kind. So I hear the gas coming out now. Simply use a torch or an extended lighter, and I've just got it on very low right now, but you can see the blue flames coming out. Can open it up and you'll see a lot more heat right there. Now, as you can see here, I've got nice blue flames. There is an adjustment right here, and this adjusts your air mixture. So if you're getting too much of a yellow flame, you can move this back and forth. As you can see right there, now I've got a very yellow flame. That's not what you want. So by dialing this back, it adjusts the air mixture to where you want it, to where you've got that nice blue flame and some really good heat coming off there. Here I'm cranking it all the way up really high, and again I can adjust this and dial it back and forth to get the correct air mixture that I want. So as you can see, this is a really nicely built unit, very simple, easy to use. The base is constructed really well. It's got a nice center of gravity, so it's not going to fall over or anything like that. And it keeps the surrounding area far enough away from the flame that things aren't going to get burnt accidentally. So really ideal solution if you're wanting to do some oil cooking with large pots and things like that. This is going to be a great solution. It's got all the different adjustability you need at a great price point as well.